Hey everyone, I know a lot of my audience is shy coming in front of camera and speaking with people. Worry not. Today I'm going to show you a new feature of Ace Fluency. This is called Expert Talk. Using this feature, I connected with an expert, Saira, and I spoke with her on audio call. Isn't it amazing? Let's have a look at it.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hi, Ashutosh.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, how are you? How was your day?
I am fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Been going great, Ashutosh. Thank you so much for asking as well.
Yeah, pleasure mine always.
Okay, Ashutosh. So, tell me, I know that you are a YouTuber, right?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Well, tell me more about how you landed upon this profession. Like, what was the first thing that you realized that you really want to start a YouTube channel?
Yes, exactly. First, I will tell you about myself a bit. My name is
Okay.
Ashutosh Dwivedi, and speaking to you from Kanpur city of Uttar Pradesh.
All
And
right.
about my education part, I did my graduation, that was BCom Honors Accounting, and now I'm pursuing my master's, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. So
All
this is
right.
all about myself. When it comes to YouTube, it's been 2 years. I started my journey in COVID-19 because I was free. So I wanted to work on my communication skills. So after talking to the people, a lot of people, they suggested me that you speak well. So why don't you try on YouTube? If you will record yourself on camera, if you will talk to other people on camera, it will boost your confidence. That's why I started making YouTube videos. And yeah.
That's great. I mean, I really like the YouTubers because personally they are like the virtual teachers or trainers. They're imparting the knowledge that they acquire from around the world, right?
Yeah, exactly. They do. So I'm so curious to know about yourself as well, ma'am, please.
Well, my name is Sarah. I currently work with Ace Fluency, and
Hmm.
especially when it comes to the Department of Expert Talk. So I believe that is a new feature introduced into this Ace Fluency app.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So it's completely audio and there is no visual. There is no need of any, you know, advancements in technology. We could just have conversations through phone. All right. And some people
Yes,
don't feel
exactly.
comfortable not being visually available while having conversations one on one, especially.
Yeah,
So
I
this
feel
is
it's really fantastic feature where we can talk with experts, we can ask our doubts, we can get answers, and we can feel confident while talking to them. So it's really
while
nice,
talking
I
to
think.
them.
Hmm.
Right, right.
Hmm.
So this is the first step of grooming themselves to develop the confidence in conversing in this language, as well as
Hmm.
yeah, pro grooming them and improving them when it comes to their speaking skills. So
Okay.
yes, Ashutosh, what we basically do as expert talk is that we continue or we encourage them to have a conversation, and based on the conversation, we will be giving them a constructive feedback at the end.
Yeah, that's so nice. So
Yeah. So
exactly. So.
basic. Yeah. So like let's talk about something, about creative visualization. Anything about
Mm,
creative visualizations?
like, I don't know specifically. Can you tell me a little bit?
Yes, of course. Creative visualization is creating a virtual world around you. I wouldn't say virtual, but it's like a visual world. You create a world for yourself in which
Hmm.
you are an active member. You become a part of that world. And
Mm,
if you
okay.
try to visualize yourself in that world, automatically it's the power of the universe to make it happen for you to be a part of that world. So
Oh,
it's a part
okay.
of a
Now I
journey
got it.
towards success. Right.
Yeah, in
So,
that way, I had started my journey. So I read a book that was like Secret, written by
okay.
Rhonda Byrne, and that is based on law of attraction, I think.
Right.
So in that way also they are talking the same. If you're going to visualize those things, it is going to be happen. Like you will feel that whatever you were thinking few days ago, you will be able to see same things around you. So yes, I am able to believe on that. Of course it happens.
Yes. So you are an aspirer, and I feel like you have created a visual world around you to be a content creator. Well,
Exactly, why not? From the first day onwards, when I used to speak in the front of mirror, okay, and I used
okay.
to visualize that I'm giving a speech to the people, and a day will come when I will speak in front of audience. And
Mhm.
I feel now, of course, the day came, and where I go, and sometimes I give speeches and I talk to people. So it's been like that. Mhm.
That is true. So that is the power of our creative visualization. We seek, I mean, it is said that we are what we seek, right? So we
Mhm.
need to keep on seeking on things that we love to achieve in our life, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely right.
Yeah, you must
So.
have been
Mhm.
manifested a lot of things, and you have achieved eventually.
Exactly. Of course, I'm in the journey of that. I can't say that I have achieved everything, and every day you aspire for something new and you desire for something new. So it happens with me as well. But 2 or 3 years ago, what I used to think that a day will come and I will talk with the people on just phone, on just video. Of course, now I'm able to do it. So I'm happy for that.
Yeah, it's our great pleasure to have a collaboration with you, Ashu.
Yeah. So, Saira ma'am, I'm having some questions as you know very well that I'm running a YouTube channel. So, a lot of
Right.
people they are asking this question to me. So, I would like to ask you that how long does it take to become fluent?
Well, personally speaking, from my experience, I was a person who found it really difficult to speak
Mm-hmm,
in English.
mm-hmm,
In spite of the fact that I was well versed in English, I'm proficient in reading and writing. But, you know, if you are consistent enough and sure enough that you can contribute at least 20 to 30 minutes a day, and you do
mm-hmm,
that consistently for a month, you would
mm-hmm,
see the difference. So the development of language acquisition is gradual. It's gradual, and it will happen over the course of time. So you cannot expect that you can develop a language within a day or so, right?
okay.
Even after
Yeah,
a week.
exactly.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So what I
It is a
ask my
process
learners,
that we will have
yes,
to
it is
believe.
a process,
Mm-hmm,
but you will
mm-hmm,
see the gradual difference and the improvisations you are gaining over the period of time. Okay. So
okay.
I always ask the
Yes.
learners the first day, if you want to see
Mm-hmm,
how much you have improved, record yourself, pick a topic of your own, speak at least 5 sentences about it, and record
mm-hmm,
yourself. Don't even attempt to hear that recording. Okay. If you don't feel like
mm-hmm,
hearing to it, it's fine. Just keep it aside. And after 1 month, I will ask them to pick that topic again and say at least 5 sentences about the same. And
mm-hmm.
now you compare the two recordings. Definitely, you will find the difference. The confidence,
Yeah.
the fluency, the knowledge of words, everything will be different. And you'll kind of feel, motivated that you are changing, you're improvising. But the condition is you have to be consistent. Consistency is the key. That's what I would say.
Yeah, exactly. I couldn't agree more with you, ma'am. You're absolutely right, and whatever you said, that was a great, I think, point. If anybody
Thank
is going to
you.
do that for sure, it will help them in their journey. So another just frequent asked question that is, I have seen a lot of people who are always tensed and worried and always that they are asking me that how to improve vocabulary. Can I speak without vocabulary? How can I speak with the people if I don't have such vocabulary in my mind? So what about this?
Right. So vocabulary is important because when I come across a lot of students, I would say they are aware
Mhm,
about words that are requested for having a casual conversation or a
mhm,
continuous conversation. They are aware about the words. It's just that they are finding difficult to recall them at the time needed.
mhm,
Okay. So that
mhm,
makes them much more aware that they are not proficient enough to have a conversation in this language.
Mhm.
So I would always ask them, be prepared. See, if you feel like you're going to meet a person that you have to talk in English to, then definitely
Mhm.
be prepared of the questions that the person might ask you.
Mhm. Yes.
So you don't lose the track of words. All right.
Mhm.
So that's,
Mhm.
I feel like you have to be prepared enough to face a situation prior. So you
Yes.
make sure that you are aware about what you're going to speak. All right. And
Yes.
second of all, yes, vocabulary is needed because sometimes repeating same words over and over again would make it sound awkward, right?
Yes, it does. Mhm.
Yes. So I will always ask, I'll always appreciate if someone could replace the most simple and commonly used words, just one or two, if they could
Mhm.
replace. All right. So if I'm saying, I'm happy to meet you, I'm so happy to share it with you. So instead of using happy all the time, I could just replace it with another words like, it's such a pleasure to meet you. I'm so
Mhm.
delighted to share this with you. So
Yes.
take at least two words to replace one simple word and take it very slow because vocabulary is like a four-stage process. It takes a bit for the mind and brain to retain a word with its full meaning and context. So it's a very slow process. As just I have mentioned before, language development is slow, it's gradual, but it's something that you can improve over the period of time. So you
So
have
yes.
to gain the
Uh-huh.
patience. Yeah, you have to be patient and believe in yourself. I would say trust the process. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Of course, I am so happy to get answer of all those questions, whatever I had. And I'm so happy
Thank
that
you.
I had a great conversation with you, and it was really
Thank you
nice
so much.
experience. And I'm just really, really happy and thankful to this teacher, so I can talk with the great experts like you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashutosh. Thank you for taking this time of yours and putting it into very productive. And also, I feel like you're doing great with your channel. All the best.
Oh, thank you so much, Saira ma'am. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.
Me too. Have a great day. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation. If you want to try out this new feature, use my referral code Ashutosh10 to get 10% extra discount. Thank you so much.